Number 2, team secretary and Scrum parent. So the Scrum parent is generally shielding the team from the cold and cruel world, right? Creating a happy and safe agile bubble. Classic example of this kind of parenting behavior is, for example, dealing with all the impediments personally, although a Scrum team member could handle them as well. Filtering feedback from stakeholders, particularly the negative feedback, or even cutting communication to the team mainly off. Pampering the team, for example, running errands or being the team secretary. I mean, sometimes even this might be bordering on the helper syndrome. And I think we all know this. The board needs to be updated and the Scrum Master does so. The state of the ticket needs to be synchronized with the software who's doing this, who is booking rooms, who is buying stickies, who is getting coffee, etc. These are absolutely no jobs for a Scrum Master. A Scrum parent is also preventing the team from failure whenever possible. This even tends to apply when the failure is actually a rather minor one and the team can quickly recover and is not causing any damage. The problem is if you're not failing, you're not pushing hard enough. Empiricism is based on learning, and learning itself is inevitably linked to failure. Remember when you grew up as little kids, you basically learned by failure. And if the team is prevented from learning, it's not learning, it's just staying in the comfort zone, which also goes hand in hand that a Scrum parent is typically not challenging the team. He or she is content if the team reaches a certain level of proficiency, the good enough approach. A Scrum parent may be also setting boundaries, but is rarely enforcing them. Tends to tolerate damaging behavior from team member, often futile hope that the culprit will be insightful and improve over time. The Scrum parent's motto, right or wrong, my team.